Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to perform a quick and easy sun and shadow analysis in 3ds Max. This workflow is good for architects when studying site conditions and just understanding how sunlight affects buildings throughout the day. Alright, so you want to start by going to Customize, Unit Setup, and then just ensuring that your units are set to meters. Alright, now we want to create some geometry for the light to interact with. Okay, so under the create panel, just go to box and just make whatever, a standard box like that. Okay, now once that is set, it's time to create some natural lighting. So on the right hand panel, under create, click the systems icon and then choose the daylight system and then just click yes. And now just place it anywhere in your model, doesn't matter. Just like that, should be fine. Okay, now on the right hand side, again, under daylight, control parameters, under location, just set the location to whatever you want. In this case, we'll be choosing Australia and Melbourne down here. Okay, under the same panel, under control parameters, you can see there are options for hours, minutes, and seconds. So this will allow you to change the time of the day. So this camera thingy over here, that mimics the sun essentially. So, for example, on the 12th hour, this is essentially noon, right? And you can drag it and it'll change positions depending on its location, whatever location you set. Alright, now, so under the modify panel, go to daylight parameters and change skylight. It'll be this by default, so just change that to IES sky. Now, if you want to document different times throughout the day at the same time, just copy and paste the daylight system multiple times, and then just change the time to whatever you want it to be, just so it's different to the first one. Now, if you want to render your sun study, go to rendering in top here, and then go to environment. Now, under exposure control, click this drop down menu and click pseudo color exposure control. And this just allows you to visualize the sunlight's intensity. Now, if we go down here to pseudo color exposure control, under physical scale, bump this up to about 20,000. It's a good figure. This is just a visualization of the sun's intensity. Now, to actually render the simulation, click this teapot icon, render setup. Just bring this down. Under renderer, click scan line renderer, and then just click render. Now, this should give sun analysis of your shape. Now, if you want to do a shadow analysis, go back to the environments tab under rendering. So under here, just go back to automatic exposure control and then just rerun the study. And so that's how you create a effective sun and shadow analysis in 3ds Max.